In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up time tracking in Gusto. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable time tracking for the right people so their hours flow smoothly into payroll and approvals. Start on your Gusto dashboard, signed in with a role that can manage time tracking, such as an admin or HR lead. From the main navigation, open Time and Attendance. This is the hub for everything related to hours, timesheets, and approvals, so it's the best place to begin. Next, choose Time Tracking. This takes you into the workspace where you control who can track time and how those hours will appear. Think of it as the command center for enabling or disabling access. In the time tracking area, look for the More menu. Click More to reveal additional management options that aren't shown by default. From that expanded menu, select People. This section is dedicated to assigning time tracking to team members and is where you'll make your selections. Now click Add or Remove People. This opens a list of eligible team members. Here's a quick tip. If your organization is large, use Search to find the person you need. Only active, onboarded team members will appear, so if someone is missing, make sure that they've completed onboarding and have the correct status in your company profile. Then select the person you want to add to time tracking. You can choose multiple people if needed. As you select, keep in mind who actually needs to clock in and out. Typically hourly employees or anyone whose time drives job costing, project tracking, or overtime calculations. When your selections look right, click Next. This gives you a brief review moment. Double-check that you've included everyone who should track time and haven't accidentally added someone who doesn't need it. It's much easier to adjust now than after you start collecting hours. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Gusto will update access in the background, and the people you added will be able to start tracking their time right away through Gusto. Their entries will show up in the time tracking area where you or their managers can review and approve them ahead of payroll. If you need to make adjustments later, simply return to the People section under Time Tracking, choose Add or Remove People again, and update your selections. A quick heads up to your team about when to start clocking in can help avoid missed hours during the first pay period. That's it. You've set up time tracking in Gusto in just a few clicks, and your workflow is now ready for accurate, timely payroll.